Recipe, you're going to need some cheddar cheese, cream cheese, some kind of pepper, mayo, garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper and some salt. Let's get started. Okay, we got 1/8 ounces of cream cheese softened. Okay, we're going to need 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You're going to need a 4-ounce thing of pimento peppers if you got them. If you don't, you can use 4 ounces of green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, whatever. You're going to need some Duke mayonnaise. If I can get it open, we can get some. Okay, you're going to need 2 tablespoons for right now. Okay, let me get the rest of the ingredients. Okay, for the garlic powder, you're going to need 1/4 teaspoon. And 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. One-eighth of a teaspoon of black pepper. One-eighth of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now you're going to need some kind of blender or something to blend this up with. Okay, we're going to see if ours is thawed out enough, our cream cheese, to do this. Don't look like it's soft enough to me. But we're going to make grilled cheese with it anyway, so it really don't need to be soft. That's soft anyway. Not yet. Okay, we got it blended good enough for us. So, you can blend yours more than ours if you want to, but we're going to make grilled cheese out of ours. Okay, we got our 2 pieces of bread out here. And on our bread, we've got no spreadable butter, so we got butter in our pan. But we're using some Duck mayonnaise. It just makes it get browner faster. It don't hurt the taste or nothing else. This is an old restaurant trick. Y'all seen me do this before. I sprayed my pan with cooking oil. And then I put the butter in there. Our bread is awful soft, so we have to be careful with it or it'll tear while we're spreading this on there. We finally got a good loaf of bread. Wash my hands. You can tell it's springtime, we're getting piss ants. Hope y'all try this recipe, and I hope y'all like it. Now you can eat this with crackers, make a sandwich with it, whatever. I first learned how to eat this in the hospital. I never ate it in my life till I went to the hospital, and then that's what they gave me for a snack. Because it was on low carb. Low carb snack. It'll take a few minutes. We'll be right back. This is how we're going to serve it today. Thanks for watching. Push the like button, subscribe button if you ain't already. And this is our pimento cheese. Thanks for watching. Bye.